we have understood what the area means, how you define an area. You have understood that, okay? Now we will talk about the area of the two figures which you will be doing in the chapter. One is the area of rectangle and the other one will be area of square. These two are what we will be doing in this chapter, okay? Now first let us take area of rectangle. If you see on the blackboard, I have written area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That L is for length and B is for breadth. So if I have a question saying that length of rectangle is 5 centimeters and breadth of rectangle is 2 centimeters and I have to find the area of the rectangle, then what we will do? We will simply write the formula area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is the length? 5 centimeters. What is the breadth? 2 centimeters. So we will multiply length into breadth, that is 5 into 2, and we will get 10 centimeters square. Now be very careful with the unit. That is why I have underlined the unit to make it very clear to you that it will be centimeter square and not only centimeter. Okay, this is the difference between the perimeter and the area. That in perimeter we only write centimeter, but in area we write centimeter square, that is centimeter raised to the power of 2. And why we are writing 2? Because you can see that I am multiplying 2 times centimeter. 5 centimeter and 2 सेंटीमीटर. 2 बार है सेंटीमीटर, एक 5 के साथ सेंटीमीटर है और एक 2 के साथ सेंटीमीटर है. 5 सेंटीमीटर, 2 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब हम लोग 2 बार सेंटीमीटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. इसीलिए जो यूनिट है वो लिखते हैं सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अगर 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे होते सेंटीमीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर, तो हम लोग क्या लिखते? सेंटीमीटर रेज्ड टू द पावर ऑफ 3. तो उसके ऊपर 3 लिख देते. ओके, जितनी बार उस यूनिट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे मीन्स वही नंबर ऊपर आएगा. अगर 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो 2 लिखेंगे, अगर 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो वो 3 टाइम्स आ जाएगा, रेज्ड टू द पावर ऑफ 3. ओके, सो हियर we are dealing with only 2 times multiplication of the unit, so we are writing centimeter square. Okay, now so my answer for this will be as 10 centimeter square. This is just an example which I have shown you how to do the questions which are based on area of a rectangle. Now the next one we have is the area of square. If you see, the formula for finding out the area of square is side multiplied by side. You can write that way, side into side. You can write S into S, or you can write side square. You can see on the blackboard, ma'am has written side into side or side square. Okay, इन दोनों में से हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं जब हम उसका फॉर्मूला लिख रहे हैं, और भी लिख सकते हैं एक इजी वाला जिसमें लिखेंगे बस S into S. S means side multiplied again with side. Okay, so you can even make it shorter by writing area of square is equal to side into side. You can write area of square is equal to SIDE into SIDE. That means you can write the spelling also like that, which I have shown on the blackboard. Or you can write area of square is equal to side square. You write in any of the forms, it will be correct. Okay, now how do you do, and why are we multiplying side into side? Because in a square all the sides are equal to each other. So if I know the measurement of one side, I know that all the other 3 sides will be of the same length. Okay, so in the question, when we need to find the area of a square, we will only get the side. हमें एक साइड मिलेगी. एक जब हमें क्वेश्चन करना होगा तो वहाँ पर खाली लिखा होगा साइड इज इक्वल टू 3 millimeters, like I have shown in the example. Any number it can come. It is just an example which I have shown you. So if you see on the blackboard, I have written side is equal to 3 millimeters. That means I need to find the area of a square. So I will write area of square is equal to side into side, which is equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 3s are 9 millimeter square. If you see again, I have written millimeter square. Why I have written millimeter square? Because first thing, it is the unit of area. And how do we get millimeter square? We are multiplying 2 millimeters, isn't it? 1 मिलीमीटर 3 मिलीमीटर के साथ है और दूसरा मिलीमीटर एक और 3 मिलीमीटर के साथ है, ठीक है ना? तो जब हम 2 मिलीमीटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग रेज टू द पावर ऑफ 2. अगर हम लोग 3 बार यूनिट को मल्टीप्लाई करते तो उसको रेज टू द पावर ऑफ 3 लिखते. Okay, so this is the way you will do the questions which are related to the area of rectangle and to the area of square. One thing which you have to be keeping in mind while you do the questions based on the area is that you have to write the formula for all the questions. If you do question 3 different questions, you will write the formula 3 times, and you have to be very, very, very careful with the unit, because in place of centimeter square or meter square or millimeter square or kilometer square, if you simply write centimeter, meter, millimeter, kilometer, it will straight away fetch you a wrong answer. It will straight away get your unit cancelled, because that unit belongs to perimeter and not to area. The unit for area is always in the form of square raised to the power of 2, like we have done in the questions when I am explaining you area of rectangle and area of square. Okay, when we will do the questions, you will understand it a little more better. I hope this is clear to every one of you.